The AI hype cycle took a rest for about a month, but now we're beginning to see it really build momentum again. It's really interesting to see how many investors are just jumping in and buying AI related stocks. Now, AI could be really interesting. It might be big, it may not. Who are the winners and the losers? There's so many questions that remain to be answered, and they really will take time to really clearly understand. One of the voices that I listen to is Mark Cuban. He has, for decades, been a reliable source to understand trends in technology. And I wanted to share a clip that he recorded yesterday and his comments on AI.
The AI side, I've been in technology for a long time, and you can always look at a new tech, PCs, networks, the internet, streaming, whatever, and say, okay, in 5 years, this is what's going to happen, right? Mm-hmm. Have a good sense. With AI, you can't do that. With large language models, we have no idea whether it's going to zig or zag or what the impact is going to be. And that's the good news and the bad news. The good news is we're dominating right now globally. The United States is. The bad news is in terms of our the quality and the impact of the AI and the advancements that we're introducing in AI, the research that we're doing. We are, without question, the leader, and that's really important from a defense perspective, military, et cetera, and also, from a business perspective. It's going to have a big impact on this country. I personally think it's generally positive, but there's a lot of uncertainty to come.
I understand Mark Cuban's comments and actually believe that AI is going to be interesting, but we just don't know how it's going to make economic value for companies. For sure, companies like NVIDIA, who are building out data centers with accelerated computing, are really benefiting, similar to the gold rush in California a long time ago. The companies that got rich were the companies that sold picks and shovels to the miners who wanted to come out to California and mine for gold and find their wealth and riches. Most miners made no money. They actually came out to California, populated the state, and there was a big population of people that ended up getting a real job at the end. The companies that were built were the ones that sold the supplies to the miners. One of those companies was Levi's. So we can thank that era of history for creating a fashion item that has been a staple in most people's lives. But overall, I think it is very early in the AI development cycle. It is interesting. I just don't know which stocks are going to clearly benefit from this new technology. Will Google make money off of it, off the actual use of AI? I don't know. Will businesses really transform their operations, get rid of people, and replace them with either AI, software, or robots? That's really hard to imagine, and that's probably going to take a long time. All that said, I'm going to carefully invest in AI related companies. I'm actually going to short companies that I think their stock prices are well above their intrinsic value, that they're being hyped up far too high and will come crashing down at some point. So that's my update on the AI hype cycle. Hope you found it interesting. Good luck investing in 2024.